You has a bumper.
It has a bumper.
You done hey, Ron?
Dude, I nailed it. I told you I was gonna hit it.
Yeah, easy.
Rainy weather, check. Taylor, check. Car, check.
Fingers crossed mine
Helmets.
break down the first lap.
Yeah, I really hope yours didn't break. It's kind of finicky. Nope, but close. Close, very close. Are you ready? Oh yeah, I forgot that we have to like take you to the shop first.
Stupid asshole. Oh, just take him to the shop and then he'll pick me up.
Yeah, because we put everything in the back. Alright. What? We should take the Civic and get some McDonald's trays.
What?
Taylor brought a sweet 2-car trailer. So we're gonna open up the shop. We're gonna get my car out. We're gonna load it up. Let's go ahead and get in here. This light switch. So just in here, the car is pretty much ready to go. Yep, we finished it up last night. Oh,
Somebody stole a lot of parts.
what the f? No body panels?
Got no interior.
No interior?
No.
Why is the dash on the top? That's weird. Why would they do that? Ah, f. Well, I
Steal your motor though.
don't know. Well, they just pulled it and let it sit there. It's a weird thing to do.
They're probably just helping me out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Well, I guess we're not taking the 7 to this event, so. Oh well. Shit happens. Well, here's a jack.
Looks a little bit different than the last one.
No, you're just gonna be in it. That's cool. Well, his car is together and it works, so we're gonna take his. It's the first time your car's together and works. Exactly. We're trading spots. So as long as this thing holds together, we're gonna go ahead and knock on wood. We should have a lot of fun today.
Good enough.
So I know a lot of people have been wanting footage of Taylor's car, but since he lives in a different city and he almost ate shit on camera. Why are you putting the wet tarp in there, bud?
I don't have room for it in my trailer.
What about in the thing? The feed thing?
I can get that open with the trailer still.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to unhook and get my tires out.
Well, that's kind of a pain in the ass. That sounded like a great idea until now. So, yeah, as long as the car holds together, we'll have a ton of fun today. Because Taylor brought a lot of tires. So,
Chance. It just happened that way. I don't normally have
when you're super balling, you can get some nice Pirellis.
Shout out to my new sponsor.
A new sponsor, Pirelli. Team Kūsō, sponsored by Pirelli. They're not proven.
They didn't want to sponsor the front tire.
So, run and get drinks at the quick store, and then we're good for the road.
Okay, I want this Ingenuity right here.
So,
Look at that. Farm truck for the win. Didn't have any more straps to tie my bumper down. So,
it goes on both sides.
it's perfect.
Just right through the little
It was
marker
made
lights.
for that.
So, go to the quick store. I think we're ready to go. We'll see you guys there. We're here. Everybody else is already here because we're slow and we wake up late. Because I like sleep. So it looks like pretty much everyone's getting teched, ready to go. There's a sweet RX-7. Super excited to see another 7 out of an event. Quite a few cars. There's a old B-Rad right there. Breaking the rules. So we've got Eric's E36, Taylor's cars over there. Oh, E36 on Corvette wheels look pretty good. Taylor's car. Sweet. Taylor's first lap with this car. And the car spun out in front of him. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, good job, Taylor. That's all the footage I'm getting today. Just a parade lap, and that's all you get. Send it, dude. I'm really sad my car's not out here. You're in there way too early, bud. Fail. Let me go to the light provided side. How about that? That's probably better. So as you see, Eric's car. Yeah, we couldn't get the tire to seat at the event, so I had issues with that. But other than that car did really well for what it was, and then the thing worked out pretty good. How was the event, Taylor?
It was fantastic.
How was your car?
Way better than I ever thought it would. I was really worried he was gonna fight me the whole time and like be super hard to drive, but it was 1,000 times easier than my Z ever was, and like I don't know, I was just super impressed with it. I'm super excited for more events with the car. Honestly, there isn't even anything I want to change other than fixing my broken seat.
Yeah, the seat being broken kind of sucks.
But other than that, and like fixing of course my rear bumper and everything, whatnot.
So Taylor's car has made me really jaded towards really built cars. Just for the fact that I know that a really built car is mega easy to drive.
Did he tell you that he just like got in the car the first time and like ripped like
The whole
3 laps
course?
just like freaking easy?
Yeah, the whole course
It's
was
that
super easy to link.
drive. It is that easy to drive.
So it's made me really, really jaded towards really built cars, and it just doesn't. It feels weird. Hey, I have a camera lady,
There we go.
and because it's got a lot of self steer to it. So
Yeah.
you really just kind of like
You let it go and it
It
immediate. The rest of it is like pretty much throttle. Like you just let it go and then you
Yeah.
catch it, but then the rest of it's just like throttle of you letting it.
and then like maybe add a little more
Yeah.
angle if you want to.
Yeah.
So it makes it super easy to
It
drive.
is stupid grippy. It is stupid grippy.
Yeah, it's really fast, especially in the wet. I was
Yeah.
really surprised how fast it was in the wet.
Yeah, it was really fast. Even on crap tires too. I couldn't believe how grippy it still wanted to be. Like just it wanted to bite forward even whenever it was let out. And then when it got dry, it like almost didn't feel any different. It was pretty similar. But yeah, really happy with the car. Now that I've gotten to drive it at an event, I was really worried. Just like driving on the street and stuff, I wasn't really like it didn't excite me, and I was just really tired of driving it on the street because obviously I wasn't using it to its full potential. But now that I have, I'm just like I'm super pumped about this car. So it makes me excited again to have it. But
Yeah, I wish I could have. I wanted to drive it a little bit more, but I also don't want to get too used to it,
yeah,
because then I feel like going back to my car is going to be like,
that
Like,
car
this
was
thing's garbage.
spoiled. Just like having all that torque and stuff was spoiled so fast.
and also going from a car like I only drove my car, which is manual steering,
Yeah,
and then over to yours where it's power steering, and,
Yeah.
and it feeds itself a lot.
Yeah.
So you don't have to feed the wheel.
yeah.
It's just literally you can drive the car with throttle. You don't even
Yep.
have to steer.
Oh
really.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Like
Yeah, literally, if you're going sideways just a little bit, add more throttle, not more steering, and the car will just kick out more, and then you just keep counter shifting.
Oh, look, it's Nolan in the background.
There was a couple times where I was like actually like fighting it because it had too much grip
you
in the
can
front.
stay in.
But like, other than me getting used to it, the car had zero problems.
All the footage. But I'd say overall it was a good event.
Yeah.
It was
It
a
was a really good event.
good way to stress test your car.
For sure. I mean, it did it in the wet and the dry, so
Yeah.
that was actually ideal. It was a lot more ideal than I thought it was going to be.
I want to know what the knock is on the back of your car big time.
Oh yeah, it's
I don't know if you
probably
could
just
hear it
a
in the
dip.
videos, but whenever you get like on throttle and then back off and then back on, it like takes the load off and then it knocks. So I don't know if it's like a diff pushing or if it's like loading up on one side or something, causing it to shift. But it's just
I bet it's my diff because it never made that noise with the other diff, and then I changed, and then I started kind of doing that. So I bet it's the
do you have
diff.
solid bushings? That could be part of it.
But
So,
yeah, I don't know. I got to dig into it a little bit. Just before the next event, before I drive it again at the next event, just because I want to go over everything because of how hard I drove it today. Just make sure everything's tight. I had 2 of those caliper.
oh yeah,
pins.
the pins. It's the pins that hold the pads in place.
Yeah, the
Back
pads.
out.
The pads. Yeah. So that
Yeah, I
was
was like, I seen
glad
it.
you caught that.
I seen it and I was like,
Because that, which ones are those
OMC?
for? Are those for? I can't remember
I don't
top
know
and
which.
bottoms for my brakes or my regular brakes or my hydro. I don't remember. I'd have to look.
You had OMC, one of my pins backed out on the front calipers.
Yeah.
And I was like,
yeah. I'll just put that back in there, alright?
but then I was like, I probably should have cotter pinned it. And I ended up finding the pin, but then I drove Eric's car quite a bit, and it laid down really consistent laps. So I was really happy with
The
that.
car is a stupid setup. Really
It's-
is. I mean, just a coilover BMW. I mean,
Yeah,
with
and
a hydro.
and a
Yeah,
seat.
in a seat. Like,
So hydro,
you
seat,
can't ask
wheel,
for more of a car.
coilovers, welded diff.
For what it does. Yeah, for what it does, like,
And
you
it's-
can't ask for more.
It's flawless.
For $2,500.
Yeah.
You
That
can
drove to the
can't
event.
beat
The
that.
only reason it didn't drive home is because of the tire.
Yeah.
Whole tire situation.
Yeah.
So
Man, my truck pulled. I thought it was gonna be really, like, bad. My
So
truck didn't even know there was another car.
we're ready to go to Texas.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All
All right,
We're
Lone
ready.
Star. We're gonna come.
We're coming for you. Maybe.
So we'll see you guys. Thanks
ya.
for watching.
Well, you see those? They're supposed to be in there.